Part 1. The mindset. Begin before you feel. Let me begin with a simple truth. Most people never start investing. Not because they don't want to grow. Not because they do not dream of a better life. But because they are afraid. Afraid to lose money. Afraid to make mistakes. Afraid they are not ready yet. Maybe you feel this too. Maybe there is a small voice inside you saying, I need to learn more first. I need to wait. I am not smart enough. Investing is scary, maybe later. I understand. Really, I do. Because I used to feel the same. I thought investing was only for rich people, smart people, confident people. People who knew everything, people who never get confused by numbers, people who always understand the market. But here is the truth nobody tells you when you are just starting. You don't need to know everything to begin. You only need curiosity, patience, and one small step. Think about learning to walk. You didn't study balance first. You didn't research gravity. You did not say, let me watch 200 videos on walking and then I will try. No. You stood up. You fell. You tried again. And slowly, step by step, you learned. You became stronger. Investing is the same. We learn by doing. We grow by trying. We get confident by moving, not waiting. And the first thing to build is not a portfolio. It is your mindset. Why mindset matters. Money is not only numbers. Money is emotion. When the market goes up, we feel strong, smart, excited. When it goes down, we feel fear, doubt, stress. If your mind is weak, even good investments will make you panic. If your mind is strong, even challenges will teach you and help you grow. So before we talk about stocks, funds, accounts, or strategies, we talk about you, your beliefs, your fears, your dreams, your patience, your courage. Because investing is not only about making money, it is about becoming someone who can handle money with wisdom, calm, and confidence. The beginner's fear and the truth behind it. So, let's talk about the fears most beginners have. Maybe you will see yourself in these words. Fear 1. I don't want to lose money. Of course, nobody wants that. But guess what? You lose money every day when you do nothing. Inflation takes it. Time wastes it. Opportunity passes by silently. When you keep all your money in a box or a bank account, it sleeps. Money sleeping is money dying slowly. Investing is not losing money. Investing is giving your money a job so it grows and works for you. Fear 2. I don't know enough. Good. That means you are humble. But learning never finishes. Even the best investors in the world learn every day. So start learning while investing small. Not later. Now. Fear 3. What if I fail? You will. Every investor fails sometimes. And that is fine. Mistakes are lessons. Losses are tuition fees to the school of wealth. We don't avoid mistakes. We make them smart, small, and early when the risk is low, and we grow from them. The moment you begin to change, imagine this moment. You finally open your first investment account. You buy your first small piece of a company. Maybe $5, maybe $20. Not big, just enough to start. Now suddenly you care. You pay attention. You start reading financial news. You start understanding how business works. You learn how the world moves. It is like opening a door inside your mind. A new world appears. A world where your future is in your hands. Not luck, not chance, not waiting. Not hoping someone saves you. You become the builder of your life. That feeling, that shift is priceless. The myth of needing a lot of money. Let's break a big myth right now. You do not need a lot of money to invest. You do not need to be rich to start. You become richer because you start. $5 a week. $10 a month. One small step at a time. A seed is small, yet it grows into a tree. Do not wait to have a garden before you plant. Plant one seed now, water it, protect it, learn from it. That is where wealth begins. Tiny, quiet, steady. Simple truth. Time beats talent. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need genius intelligence. You don't need to guess the market. You need time. And time rewards those who begin early. A slow walker who starts always goes farther than a fast runner who stays still. So how do you begin? Not with fear, not with pressure, not with trying to become rich fast. You begin the same way you build any good thing in life, with curiosity, with patience, with small steps repeated. Start with learning a few key ideas. Start with saving a little each week. Start with opening your first investment account. Start with asking questions. Start with watching, thinking, and trying. Because starting, even tiny, changes everything. Tell yourself this. I don't need to know everything to start. I learn as I go. I grow as I move. I begin today, not someday. Whisper it. Write it. Feel it. Believe it. Because the real risk is not beginning. The biggest danger is not investing and losing a little. The biggest danger is never trying and losing your chance. Money grows. Knowledge grows. Confidence grows. Time compounds everything, but only if you use it. So today, choose courage over fear. Choose curiosity over doubt. Choose action over waiting. One small step.
Right now.
Not perfect, just honest and real. Because this is where your journey to wealth begins. Not in your bank account, but in your mind. And every day you grow a little more, you step closer to the life you want. And that is priceless. Learn the language of investing slowly and calmly. To invest well, you do not need to be the smartest person in the room. You do not need big numbers, fast charts, or loud opinions. You only need one thing first: to understand the language of investing slowly and calmly. Because the stock market is not difficult. It only looks difficult when the words feel big and heavy. But every big idea becomes soft and friendly when you take your time with it. Some people rush. They jump into stocks because they are excited. They buy because someone told them it will go to the moon. They panic when prices fall. They quit because they did not understand what they were doing. You will be different. You will learn with peace.
You will move step by step.
You will build knowledge like building a house, strong, safe, and slow. Let's breathe. Let's make this simple. What you are really doing when you invest. When you invest, you are not playing the market. You are not betting. You are becoming a tiny owner of real businesses. And real businesses take time to grow. Just like a tree cannot grow in one night, your money needs seasons too. Spring, summer, autumn, winter,
Growth. Rest.
learning, patience. That is the rhythm of real wealth. The words that scare people made warm and simple. Markets are not scary. Only unfamiliar words are. Let's give them light. A stock means you own a tiny part of a company. A share is one small piece of that ownership. An investor is a person who owns these pieces, like you are becoming. Your portfolio is simply your collection of investments. Big or small, it is yours. Risk means things can go down sometimes. Return means the money you earn over time. A dividend is a small thank you payment a company gives you for owning a part of it. An index fund is just a basket holding many companies together. So you do not depend on only one to succeed. Safe, simple, perfect for beginners. And compound growth. That is the quiet magic where money grows on money. Slow, invisible at first. But one day, it becomes something powerful, like a seed turning into a tree. Do you see? Nothing here is scary. Nothing here is confusing. You do not need to rush to understand everything today. Just understand one word, one idea, one lesson at a time. Because every time you learn one small thing, you become stronger. And every small step you take, your future becomes brighter. The gentle rule of learning money. Keep it simple. You do not need complicated strategies. You do not need to chase trends. You do not need to copy other people. You only need a quiet plan. Learn one small idea each day, know what you are buying and why. Invest slowly, stay calm when markets move. Remember long term, always. Small learning, small steps, simple plan, strong results. A soft reminder for your journey. Some days you will feel confident. Some days you will feel confused. Both are normal. Both are part of growth. Do not pressure yourself. Do not compare yourself. Just stay curious. Stay patient. Stay kind to your own pace. Every investor starts with not knowing. Every expert was once. Part 3. Start small. Stay consistent. Your first real steps. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. You don't need the perfect time. You don't need to wait until you know everything. You only need one thing.
To start small and to start now.
Because money grows with time, not with fear, not with waiting, not with one day. One day is where dreams sleep. Today is where change begins. Why starting small matters. Small steps feel safe. Small steps feel calm. Small steps let you learn without pressure. When you start small, you can breathe. You can watch. You can understand. And even if you make a mistake, you are okay. Because the risk is small and the lesson is big. Think of a child learning to walk. One step, then another. Slow, soft, steady. No rush, no fear. That is how you grow in investing too. Your first tiny actions. You don't need to jump in. You don't need to put all your money inside the market.
You do it like planting seeds.
One seed today. One seed next week. One seed each month. Slow, simple, gentle. Maybe you save a little money first. Maybe you open an investment account. Maybe you put a very small amount into a safe index fund. Maybe you just watch and learn how it moves. Even watching is a step. Even learning is progress. Even thinking about your future means you have already begun. The magic of steady habit. The world tells you to go big, go fast. But wealth listens to a different rhythm. Small, steady, repeat. $1 becomes 2. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes 8. Quietly,
Slowly.
faithfully. That is how real wealth grows. Not with noise, not with hurry, but with patience and time. Invest a little every month, like watering a plant, like breathing, like brushing your teeth. Simple, natural, daily. Money is not built by luck. It is built by habit. Why consistency beats perfection. You will not always feel confident. Some days the market will go down and you will feel unsure. Some days it will go up and you will feel excited. Both feelings are normal, but you don't follow feelings. You follow your plan. You keep investing a little, even when you don't feel perfect, even when you doubt yourself, even when life feels busy. Because success belongs to the person who stays, not the person who rushes in and runs away. Long term, slow steps, steady heart. That is how you win. It's not about money. It's about who you become. When you start small and continue, something beautiful happens. You become someone who trusts yourself. You become someone who keeps promises to your future. You become someone who does not panic, who does not rush, who does not quit. Your mind grows strong. Your patience grows deep. Your confidence grows quietly. And one day, you look back and realize your small steps built something big. Not just wealth, but character,
Discipline. Peace.
You did not get rich fast. You grew rich slowly. And because you grew slowly, you grew strong. A soft encouragement for your heart. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. You don't need to know everything. You just need to learn a little every day. You don't need to take big steps. You just need to keep moving. Tiny seeds, tiny steps, tiny moments of courage. They build a future. They build freedom. They build a life you are proud of. And each time you invest, even a very small amount, you are telling your future self, I believe in you. I am building for you. I will not give up on you. And that, my friend, is wealth in its purest form. You're doing great. You are learning. You are moving. You're growing. And you're just getting started.